How to find the channel ID of your YouTube channel in Android or iOS devices. So hey guys, if you want to find your channel ID on a mobile, then this video is for you. So all you need to do is follow these easy steps. So make sure that for this particular operation, you won't be able to do this with the help of the YouTube application or the YouTube Studios application. So for this particular thing, we will require any web browser of your choice. So once you have opened any web browser, you need to head onto the particular URL listed here. So the URL is youtube.com/account. Once you have typed in the URL, click onto the enter button and you will be landed onto this particular specific page. So if you will zoom in, you can see this option of view advanced settings. So simply click on the view advanced settings and you will be displayed your user ID as well as the channel ID. So if you want to copy your channel ID, simply click onto this copy button and your channel ID will be copied. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, make sure to drop a like. Do tell us in the comments if this worked for you or not, or if you encountered any issues, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.